If you're over 50 and your eyeliner is making your eyes look smaller and downturned, here are 3 easy ways to fix that. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If we haven't met yet, I'm 58, and you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I am always sharing really simple makeup tips that work for women with mature skin. Today, I have 3 really easy tips for us to just open up our eyes. 2 things that you will not hear me say today. Number 1, I'm not going to say skip eyeliner altogether, because if you're like me, I like to wear eyeliner. It's what I'm used to. The other thing you're not going to hear me say is I'm not going to create a wing. So if you don't like that, this video is for you. Tip number 1, you're going to see that my eyeliner is very thick and it's all the way across my eye. I don't want to do that anymore. First of all, the thicker it is, the smaller and the beadier your eyes look. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my eyeliner on, and I'm only going to go about halfway over. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a blending brush and just blend that in a little bit. This is the side that needs to be lifted. So that's where I'm going to spend the bulk of my time. Tip number 1 is I'm going to eliminate this thick line that goes all the way across my eye. I'm not a huge fan of black eyeliner. I think black is very stark and it can be very draining when at my age, at 58, the color is just draining from my skin. I really like a chocolate brown, but another one of my favorites are anything that's more of a bronzy color. My favorite eyeliner is the Stay and Play Gel Eyeliner from Essence. I will link everything that I'm using down in the description below. And this color is called But First Espresso. Also, kind of getting into tip number 2, I want to create a little bit of lift in this outer corner. Remember, we're not going to do a wing, but rather than just follow that upper lash line that's pointing down, I want to create like a wedge. Think almost straight over and down. I'm not going all the way to that outside corner. I'm blending that out a little bit so that it's smudged. It's not as harsh as this line over here, and I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner. I'm keeping the bulk of this liner in the outer third or the outer half of my eye. I used the same color on both sides, but look at the difference already. Tip number 2, when we line, we tend to naturally go with that upper lash line. Remember that the lower lash line is what's going to lift up. Now, if you don't want a wing, that's okay. All I'm going to do then is I'm going to build up this wedge just a little bit more, just to give myself a little bit more of a lift. I didn't go all the way to the outside corner. By going all the way to the outside corner of my eye, that's where it's going to be very downturned. I stopped about 2 or 3 lashes before the end of my eye. Now I'm just going to smudge this a little bit more with this brush. And if you want to aim it up just a little bit, you can. Look at that. Let's do the bottom. If you're enjoying these tips so far, I hope you'll like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tips to open our mature eyes without eyeshadow, I'm going to link another video at the very end here, and it is going to give you more tips to just make our mature eyes look even bigger. Let's talk about the bottom. This is where I'm going to use this bronzy colored eyeliner, and you have a few options. First, if you want to go straight in with this bronzy eyeliner, you absolutely can. It's lighter than the top, so automatically that makes it a little bit softer and it doesn't close your eyes as much. But what I like to do is I like to take this smudging brush and put the liner directly on the brush. I'm primarily only doing this outer half or outer third. I do not want my eyeliner to go all the way to the inner corner. That is definitely where you're going to get that closed, smaller eye look. I do have some definition here. It's not as stark and in your face as this side, and it really opens my eye up a little bit more. I love this liner. This is from Revlon. I can't remember the exact color, and I don't have my glasses on. Another thing that's going as I'm getting older, but very affordable. I will link it. Let's put some mascara on and compare the two. And we didn't skip makeup altogether. We just made it a little bit more diffused. We're not going all the way into the corner. We lifted up the outer corner just a little bit and then diffuse this a whole lot more on the bottom, just to open our eyes up just a little bit more. And if you want more tips to make our mature eyes look bigger, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.